Hey guys, this is an amazing Amazon find. My son is a gamer. He has the Quest headset. And one of the things he complains about a lot is, battery life and the comfort of the device. So before he comes back from college, I wanted to get him a gift that I thought would be perfect, for helping him with some of those, issues. So in this box, the MQ2000 series is basically a headset that is designed to connect to the Quest unit. So what I'm going to do in this video, guys, is show you everything that comes in the box and how you can utilize something like this. So let's take everything out of the box first. All right, guys, so here's the initial components that come in the box. So of course you're going to get your starter manual. Of course you need this to get started, how to set it up. But this is very self-explanatory, guys. You're just going to replace this headset with the stock headset that comes with your Quest. All right, so starting off with the actual headset here, this is completely adjustable. If you guys look here on the back, you have a ratcheting system here. And what this allows you to do is to adjust. As you guys see that, I can adjust the shape around the outside of the head. And then you also have a top headband here, which is also adjustable. So you can do basically the same thing by just turning this little knob here. This is going to adjust this up and down. So you get a perfect fit for your head. It comes with a nice little pad here on top. Now, these little clips that you guys see here in the front, this is what's going to clip onto your Quest unit. This also comes with a battery unit. Now this is 7,200 milliamp hour battery, and this is just going to slot in just like that. It's going to go right into this little spot. And then what you're going to be able to do is actually connect this battery directly to your Quest unit. Now it's going to come with a cable, and you guys can see this is the cable right here, which is USB-C to USB-C. And one end of it is going to plug into your Quest unit right here, like so. And then the other end of the cable is going to plug into the Quest itself. So one end is going to plug into the headset. The other end is going to plug into the Quest. That's going to give you additional, runtime, about 3 to 5 hours, depending on your gameplay. And you can actually charge all of these together with the included cable that comes with it. You can just plug this in here and charge everything at one time. Now it does also come with additional pad, and this little pad here, guys, is really plush. Now what's cool about this is going to go inside of your clip like this, and these just clip in. Make sure I'm putting them in right. And then once you have those clipped in place, this pad here is going to rest on the back of your head. So you're going to get a lot of comfort with this, and then you have this on top, as you guys can see here. So let me give you a closer look at this. So this is the complete design of this head strap, guys. I think this is going to be excellent for a lot of my long play gamers. Clips on really easily. The system is going to add additional battery life to your, to your gameplay. I really like this. I'm pretty sure my son is going to love this. So hopefully, guys, if you're interested in some extended gameplay, this could be exactly what you're looking for. Now, it does come with this nice little cleaning cloth in case you need that. But overall, guys, everything about this looks really nice to me. Like I said, I will, when my son gets in, I will do possibly another video showing you guys him actually using this and playing with this. But until then, guys, this has been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, peace. I am out.